Make sure to stay tuned in, you may have two different designs, so we'll cover each one of those today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a car with automatic leveling headlights. Many cars will use that design nowadays guys. Many of those I've seen, first I started seeing that quite often on BMWs, but actually many cars will use it. If you have one of those, you want to know where the headlight leveling sensor is located that detects how much the car is up and down so it can adjust the headlights accordingly. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You may have two different designs, one is really simple, one is more complicated, so we'll explain what to expect in either case. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. We'll be demonstrating on a BMW guys here that we have X4, but it will work on multiple cars that way. For instance, that one, many cars will have headlights that can adjust going only up and down depending on how loaded the vehicle is. If the vehicle is loaded on the back, the front end will come up, so the headlights will need to come down. But this one actually even has the headlights that steer when you turn the steering wheel too, and that's usually controlled. The steering is controlled through the steering angle sensor. The headlight level is controlled through different sensors. Let's explain about that now. Most cars guys, on the rear axle on the left or the right side, if you remove the wheel, attached somewhere to the control arm, you will have a sensor like this one. This is known as a headlight leveling sensor. It has a little arm that allows to move up and down, and it will detect practically how much the vehicle, the position of the control arm, and it will require if the headlights will need to be adjusted. Most vehicles will end up having one sensor on the rear. Now some higher-end vehicles guys can experience something else, like this BMW guys. You can see we have one sensor on the rear left side. We don't have a sensor on the rear right. If we look at the control arm there is nothing, you can see. And on this control arm, if we pay attention, let me see, that's where the sensor attaches. So this one specifically has one on the rear, but actually has one on the front too. Some cars here may have that design too. Here's just a single on the front, on the left side as well. Attaches to the lower control arm, in our case through that arm, and this is the leveling sensor. So it can actually detect if the front and rear are matching, how much the headlights need to be adjusted, and all that stuff. So always look for multiple sensors. They might be on the left side, on the rear side. Most of the times on BMWs they're located on the left side. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.